Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hytale game crashing or crashes at startup or crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the system requirements for the game. So you can go to the Hytale website and scroll down, and then you will see the minimum requirements and recommended requirements. So make sure the system meets the requirements for playing the Hytale game on your PC. Now fix one is to update everything in Discover Store. So go to desktop mode, open the Discover Store and update everything and let it finish. Then return to gaming mode and launch Hytale, and now you will be able to get past the crash when loading into the world. I hope this helps. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Run the Hytale launcher as an admin. So in Windows search type Hytale and you can see Hytale launcher, and then click on run as administrator, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 3. Reset launcher cache. So here how to reset launcher cache. Open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, then open roaming folder, then open Hytale folder, then open user data folder, and then select cache avatar preview, cache player skin, prefab cache, and then right click on it and select delete to delete it, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to reinstall the launcher. So simply uninstall the Hytale launcher and download the latest version. A clean installation often resolves several issues. Fix 5 is to check system language and local settings. Some players report improved stability after setting their system language to English, United States. Fix 6 is to check date and time and sync date and time. Make sure that the date and time on your windows are correct. Also sync date and time and then check. So here how to do it. Right click on the date and time and then select adjust date and time. It will open the date and time settings on your PC. Now make sure that date and time is correctly set up. Scroll down. In additional settings you will see sync now. Click on this sync now button and just wait. And after this synchronization has been completed, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open the Hytale launcher, click on this settings icon and then click on open directory. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open the install folder, open release folder, open package folder, open game folder, open latest folder, open client folder. Now double click the Hytale client and then check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on Hytale client exe file and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility setting, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If still not working, then select Windows 7 from here, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, okay, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. First allow the Hytale launcher. So open program files. Open Hypixel Studios. Open Hytale launcher folder. Select Hytale launcher exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now again click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder, then open roaming folder, scroll down, open Hytale folder, open install folder, open release folder, open package folder, open game folder, open latest folder, open client folder, and select Hytale client exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again go to the game installation folder. First of all, allow the Hytale launcher. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Hypixel Studios folder, open Hytale launcher folder, select Hytale launcher exe file and then click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark. Then click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder, open roaming folder, open Hytale folder, open install folder, open release folder, package folder, game folder, open latest folder, open client folder, and then select Hytale client exe file and then click on open and then click on add. Again, after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark, then click on OK to save changes, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, IVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program. Fixed line is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then go to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder, open roaming folder, open Hytale folder, open install folder, release, package, game, latest folder, client folder, and then select Hytale client exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, Hytale client. Expand it and next to GPU preference, select high performance and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fixed is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to the NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then relaunch the game again and check. Fix 11 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fixed tool is to disable overlay. Now disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle up the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fixed 13 is to log out and log into Hytale launcher. So open the Hytale launcher and then click on this settings icon and then click on log out. And then log in again and then try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 14 is to flushdns. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code. So you can copy and paste this code from my video description and then hit enter. Copy the second code, paste it and hit enter. Copy the last command, paste it and then hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So just restart your PC after this, and after the restart you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 15 is to delete Hytale saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So again open the Hytale launcher, click on the settings icon and then click on open directory. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open the user data folder and here you will see the save folder. First right click on it and then copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. And then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 16 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the taskbar Afterburner, RivaTuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 17 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, download and install them and then just restart your PC again. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 18 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now this is the last solution. If none of the solution work for you, then uninstall Hytale game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Hytale game crashing, crashes at a startup, crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch problem or launching failed issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video.